Hello, welcome back to my channel FRIT Hub, and this is day 3 of our Linux series. Today I will show you how to install Linux step by step. I will use Rocky Linux as an example, but you can follow the same step for Ubuntu, Mint and most other distros. Before we start, here's what you will need. An ISO file of your chosen Linux distribution. I'm using Rocky Linux. VMware Workstation, an application which let us run Linux inside Windows, and last at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Now let's set up our virtual machine. I have already opened VMware Workstation. Click on the create a new virtual machine. I will choose the typical setup and click next. Then I will select the Rocky Linux ISO from my computer. Give the path and select the Rocky Linux ISO. Click and open. Click next. Now select the type of the OS. I have Linux. For Rocky Linux I will select Red Hat 8, which is 64-bit. Give the machine a name. I'm giving a Linux name. And here I have the location for a virtual machine. Give minimum disk size, which is 20 GB, and select the store virtual disk as a single file. Click next. Here we can customize the hardware as well. Click customize. Here I have a memory, virtual memory, which is also a RAM. Give it to 4 GB. Also set processors, number of processors to total number of 4s. Okay. Also you can take the virtualize Intel. The CD ISO is already connected. Select the network type, which is bridge. Further we have a display. Set as default. Now click OK. Select finish. So your machine has been made. Now the machine has been made, so we will try to power on the machine. Here we click the power on the machine. Machine will boot. Here's the proper setup. Now we will try to install our Rocky Linux 9.5. The VM starts and the Linux installer opens. It will take time depending on the resources we have given to the machine. The machine is booting. It is taking a time. So here we have the installation of our Rocky Linux. The installation setup. First I will select my language as English and continue. Now select the installation destination. Click the disk and done. Okay, next the software selection. Well, I have a minimum CD ISO. I will select the minimal ISO and the standard. Now network. Select the network, done. Let's set up our root account. Set the password. Root. Now do not lock your root account and allow the root SSH so that you are able to SSH your machine using remote connection. Set a user again. I am making a user account. User, and give it a password as well. Confirm the password and double click the done. So we are all set up. Now we'll try to begin the installation. Here the installation has been begun. It will take time. Again saying it will take time depending on the machine, the resources that we have given to the machine. So I'm trying to skip the time. So reboot the system. The system will automatically now restart. As the installation has finished, it will automatically restart the machine. Well, machine is being restarted. Select the Rocky Linux OS. Now it will boot the machine. So now the login screen will appear. Here we go. I have a machine. I will log in with my user root and give the password. And here we are, Rocky Linux is successfully installed and running inside the VMware Workstation. To summarize, download a Linux ISO from the official website, set a machine in the VMware Workstation with enough RAM and CPU and also the disk space, follow the instruction wizard, and within a few minutes you will have a Linux ready to go. That is all from the day 3. In day 4, we will cover the pwd command, one of the most important command to know your exact location in Linux. Do not miss that, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do not miss any update. Click the bell icon. Thank you.